In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square POS in Ecwid. This quick and easy guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate Square with your Ecwid store in just a few minutes. First, it's important to ensure that your Square account is properly set up. If you haven't already done so, take a moment to visit Square's website and create an account. It's a straightforward process, and having an established Square account is essential for enabling the connection with Ecwid. Once your account is ready and set up, you're already halfway there. The next step involves accessing your Ecwid store. Head over to the Ecwid website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your Ecwid admin panel. This is where you'll manage all the back-end aspects of your online store. Now, let's move on to adjusting your payment settings. Within the Ecwid admin panel, locate the Settings section. Click on it to reveal more options and then select Payment. This is where you'll manage all the payment methods available to your customers. In the Payment section, scroll down until you find the section labeled Payment Alternatives and click on Other Ways to Get Paid. This part of the process is crucial as it leads you to the option to incorporate different payment processors. You'll notice a drop-down menu that says Choose Payment Processor. Click on this drop-down and look for Square. Once you've found it, click to select it. This step is crucial because it identifies Square as a recognized payment processor for your store. Now it's time to authorize Square. Click on the Connect and Enable option. You'll be prompted to log into your Square account. This step connects both platforms, allowing them to communicate with each other seamlessly. You will need to follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Square and Ecwid. These instructions ensure that both your accounts are linked securely and correctly, so take your time to read through them carefully. Once you're connected, several settings can be adjusted according to your preferences, such as selecting which payment methods you'll accept, determining how taxes will be managed, and configuring other relevant settings to best fit your business needs. And there you have it, you've successfully linked Square POS with your Ecwid store. This integration allows for effortless transactions between you and your customers. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting, having a streamlined payment process is critical for your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you set up your store payment options efficiently. Remember to explore other features that could further enhance your online selling experience.